हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ डायरेटिक्स एंड हाइपोग्लाइसेमिक एजेंट। इन दिस वीडियो वी डिस्कस द सम ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ डायरेटिक एंड हाइपोग्लाइसेमिक एजेंट। फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट विद द डायरेटिक कैटेगरी। द ड्रग इज furosemide। ठीक है, सो द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ furosemide, फर्स्ट वी check the parent skeletal structure. In the furosemide is belonging from the sulfamoyl benzoic acid derivative. So the structure contain first the benzoic acid. The benzoic acid including 6-membered ring and COH. This is the structure of benzoic acid. If we number it, then numbering goes to 1, 2, 3. On the fourth number there is a chloro. 5, there is one of the group, that is the SO2NH2, that is the sulfamoyl group. And on the second number, what is the groups on the second number? That is, first is CH2 and furan ring, that is the furfuryl ring, and again one of the is the amino. So we conclude the chemical name that 4-chloro, for the second chemical name 4-chloro and furfuryl amino. So this is the furfuryl group and include the amino. Next 5-sulfamoyl as it is, and the last is the benzoic acid. For the first chemical name, there is a two types of chemical name, in which first is the benzoic acid is the parent nucleus, and in the second anthranoic acid is the parent nucleus. So what is the anthranoic acid? In the anthranoic acid, in the benzoic ring at the adjacent carbon atom there is a substitution of NH. So the parent nucleus is the 6-membered ring with a COOH and NH at the adjacent carbon atom. That is the structure of anthranoic acid. Then again all the substitution are same. For the N substitution, that is the furfuryl group. Then on the fourth position there is a chloro group. On the fifth position there is a 5-sulfamoyl group, and the last is the parent nucleus, that is the anthranoic acid. This is the structure of furosemide. Next structure. Our next structure is again belonging from the diuretic category. The drug is hydrochlorothiazide. So again we first select the parent nucleus. In that ring there is no heterocyclic substitution, but if we go through the classification, there is a one class, that is 1,2,4 benzothiadiazine. In the 1,2,4 benzothiadiazine, structure include, see, if we give the first number to the sulfur, then here is the second, third, fourth, fifth. On the sixth position there is a chloro, 7, and then 8. So again it will be a 1, 2, 4 benzo. In the benzene ring, this is the benzene ring, and thia stand for the sulfur, and diazine matlab di means 2 or aza means nitrogen, so diazine. So that is the parent nucleus. Further substitution are, further is the 6-chloro group, then 7th is the sulfamoyl, again SO2NH2, and there is a extra hydrogen is also present in the structure. At the second position there is a one hydrogen, so we mention in a chemical name, that is a 2H. And again if there is a bond, will be a break between the 3 and 4, there is again 2 hydro group is attached, so we write in the chemical name, that is the 3,4 dihydro. And the last, on the first position 2 oxygen molecules are there, so we write 1,1 dione. So the complete chemical name will be a 6-chloro, then 7-sulfamoyl, then 2H. In the second position there is a hydrogen, so 2H. 3,4, if the bond is break between 3 and 4, there will be again hydrogen, so 3,4 dihydro. Last is the parent nucleus, that is the 1,2,4 benzothiadiazine, and the last is first position substitution, that is the 1,1 dione. In that structure there is a one chemical rule or in the many chemical group there will be a dione will be a mention at the last of the chemical name. So it is mentioned in the last one, that is 1 comma 1 dione. Dione means di means two times, or one means represented by oxygen. Then we go to the next structure. The next structure is the urea. There is a very simple structure. It is some of the linking to the bigonidine, because in the bigonidine is again there is NH2 C double bond NH, and there is NH2. It is quietly similar. In the replace of the C oxygen, there is a NH2 in the bigonidine. So many of the students will be confused in this structure. But the urea having NH2 C double bond O NH2. There is a no chemical name, but we commonly called as diamide carbonic acid. So the COH and hydrogen group of the carbonic acid is replaced by two amino groups. So it is the diamide, two amino group, and that is the C double bond O, or some of how will be there is a hydroxy and one of the hydrogen group is replaced. So it is also commonly called as diamide carbonic acid. Urea is again categorized on the diuretic drug. Next drug is the mannitol. Mannitol is again categorized into the diuretic category. In the mannitol, there is no any six-membered ring or the heterocyclic ring, but it is the largest carbon containing chain. It's a long carbon atom. So we number it first. For the any chemical name, we number it. So we start from the left hand side. There will be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There is a 6 carbon, or we say the 6 alkanes are there. So it is a hexane. In each and every carbon having one hydroxy group. Here is the one hydroxy, then 2, 3 and having hydroxy group, 4, 5 is again having hydroxy group, and in the 6 carbon there is a one hydroxy group. So there are the 6 hydroxy. So we mention in a chemical name, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen. So we mention in hexa hydroxy, and last is the parent nucleus, that is alkane is the parent nucleus, that is the hexane. It is again containing the 6 carbon. So the chemical name will be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexa hydroxy hexane. It is a linkage, or it is a derivative of the various glucose derivative. It is again a diuretic class. Next drug is the ethacrynic acid. Ethacrynic acid is again categorized into the diuretic drug. In the ethacrynic acid, it is commonly categorized into the phenoxyacetic acid derivative. From the classification, on the chemical classification, it is a derivative of phenoxyacetic acid. So in that, where is the phenoxyacetic acid? So the phenoxy means a phenyl ring and oxygen. So this is a phenyl ring and one of the oxygen is covered. Okay. Then what is acetic acid? In the angle there is a one carbon and there is a second. But we on the acidic group we mention the first. So the first carbon is this and this is the second carbon. So on the second carbon there is a largest substitution is present on the acetic acid. So in the structure, acetic acid is a parent skeletal structure. On the second number there is a phenoxy group. So we number the phenoxy group is again. So first on the first position phenoxy or oxygen is present. Then we number it 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there is a various substitution. Again on the fourth number there is a largest containing ring. So we again number it also. If we having a 1 and 2 on a acetic acid, so we number it at a 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash or a 6 dash. So on the next ring, next is ring is start from the this one. It is 1 double dash. We mention it here. Then 2 double dash and 3 double dash and 4 double dash. There are the various numbering because there is a so many linkage present in this structure. So if we see the phenoxy ring, at the 2 dash and 3 dash there is a dichloro. So we mention in this number here in the number of the acetic acid is first we mention. This is the number of the parent skeletal structure. So we make a square bracket and they mention it 2,3 dihydro for the attachment of the phenoxy. Then on the fourth number of the phenoxy there is again one of the complicated structure. So we make again one bracket and write the substitution. So on the fourth number of the phenoxy there is a largest ring, that is the ylidene butanol. Okay, and on the second number of the ylidene butanol there is the methyl group substitution. So we mention it a 2-methyl ylidene butanol phenoxy, and the last is the acetic acid. Here the both of the chemical name will be similar, only that there is the second number of the acetic acid is not mentioned in the second type of the chemical name. Only mention the acetic acid. On the acetic acid there is attachment of this group, that is the 2,3 dichloro 4 bracket 2-methyl ylidene butanol and phenoxy. Only difference is that. Which is the difference? In the second type of the chemical name there is not mention in the second number, that is of the acetic acid. This is the structure of ethacrylic acid. Then we go for the next structure. This structure is belonging from the hypoglycemic agent. So the hypoglycemic agent, these are the drug which reduce the blood sugar level. So the hypoglycemic agent, the structure of we see the chloropropamide. In the chloropropamide, sulfonyl urea is the derivative of the chloropropamide. So the urea is the parent skeletal structure. In the urea, we number it. The number both sides will be the same because that is the NH double bond O NH. There is no any functional group attached on the urea where we start the numbering. So there is both sides will be a N. So we mention it at in a chemical name, that is the N. This group is the phenyl ring. If we number it, there will be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the fourth number is the chloro. The fourth number is again we mention in a para position. So we write here N bracket para chloro. This is a 6-membered ring. We call it as a phenyl or a benzene. So we mention it here is the benzene. Then is the SO2, that is the sulfonyl. We complete the bracket on this side. Then on the right side there is a 3 carbon. 3 carbon means the that it will be mentioned at a propyl. So we will write it N dash propyl, and the last is the parent nucleus, that is the urea. If we number it from the sulfur or oxygen side, if we see that there is a 2 heteroatom sulfur and oxygen, then we will be numbering start from this heteroatom. So this on the propyl will be on the third number. If number it adds a 1, 2 and 3. So in the second chemical name there is a mention in that is the 3-propyl urea. Okay, that is the chloropropamide. Then next structure is the fenformine. In the fenformine is again it is a hypoglycemic agent, and classification, in the classification it is the bigonadine derivative. So we see here the bigonadine derivative. In the bigonadine derivative there is a NH double bond NH, again NH, C double bond NH and NH2. This is a complete bigonadine derivative. So here is also no numbering will be given. So on the first position, that is the N number, there is a 2 carbon and phenyl ring. So for the 2 carbon we may give the numbering 1 and 2 because on which carbon phenyl group is attached it will be mentioned in the chemical name. So we number it 1 and 2. So here the N for the parent skeletal, then second. So we write in a bracket 2 phenyl, then 1 and 2 carbon, that is the ethyl. We complete the bracket and complete the substitution, and the last is the parent nucleus, that is the bigonadine. So here is the fenformine, that is belonging from the hypoglycemic agent. Okay student, Thank you.